Dave Allen going to start a railroad, and since Dave doesn't know how to play this game, he's just going to do easy. Play on the New England map since it has Canada on it. Pick Toronto as the home base. So Dave thinks, I know everything. I can just play this game no problem. So, yeah. He thinks he can just build some track from these cities. And Dave, he has to pick the dockside switcher or the 611. He's just gonna say, I'll pick the dockside switcher because it's cheaper and not better. Thanks. He says, I'm gonna be rich by the time I finish up with this railroad. Speed of that train. I bet Dave is just saying, hooray, we're going faster than the speed of light. We're going to get to our next city in no time. Boom. Demand for cargo in Lexington has drastically increased. Dave's like, oh boy, this means I have to build some track to go to Lexington quickly so that I can make even more money. So here he's building his tracks to Lexington. It's like, oh boy, we're almost there. Yay. Now I just earned a few more dollars. We're gonna be rich. Or are we? Warning, you are out of money. And Dave's like, oh, come on, how could I be out of money? I thought I just earned some money because I built track all the way to Lexington. Dave, don't you realize you have to pay to build tracks? Dave's like, I'm gonna find something to research. I guess he's gonna try a steam engine. I guess. We'll just see what happens. Dave's like, I know, I'm gonna buy another engine. Which of course puts him in the road even more. So Dave decides to take an unusual route, and you know how whenever you try to deliver the same cargo to another city that already has it, you lose money? Dave thinks this is gonna earn him money. He's gonna deliver cows from Lexington to Columbus. And he thinks that he can just deliver lumber, because it says that lumber is going to make even more money. But Dave just hasn't come to the sad realization of something. You have to do it the cargo chain way. Here's how much money he's losing now. Warning, you have 4 years to get out of debt. Dave's like, yay, I'm making money. I'm gonna buy another engine. But, dude, you do not have enough money to purchase this. No. Because Dave can't do anything right. He operates this useless railroad. He just can't get anything right. What the? Investors like your progress and give you $100,000? That's strange. I thought Dave sucks at railroading. And how would they like the progress? We're losing money. Oh, just a note for all you losers. Viewers. Hey, Dave says, just a note to all you losers. I am making money. Your railroad is losing money. I have the best railroad out there. Dave just doesn't know how much money he's really losing. Warning, you have 2 years left to get out of debt. I doubt Dave will be able to get out of debt before 2 years. It's already losing $326 at this moment. Boom! Demand for cargo in Washington has drastically increased. Dave would be like, yay, this means a chance to make some more money. I am going to build some track all the way to Washington so that I can make money. And finally pull myself out of this financial crisis. So Dave is building tracks all the way to Washington so he can finally make some money. It'll cost $145 at this moment to purchase the tracks. Dave's like, time to build the track. Chick, what the? How did all the track disappear? That's because he doesn't have any money to buy it. And guess what? You only have 1 year to get out of debt. Ain't that the truth? Loss of $466. 478. Dave's like, come on. Why am I not making any money? I thought I was supposed to be making a lot of money because my railroad is awesome. He's like, come on. I don't have much time to get out of debt. Give me some money right now. And Dave is like, no. Come on, someone please loan me some money so I can... No, I failed.